3, 2, 1.
Hello, all. Today we are going to talk about AI, artificial intelligence. And as we all know, in a business world, there is a big discussion going about AI. Everyone is talking about AI and how AI is going to change the business and what leverage we can take through utilizing these tools. Now, when we talk about AI, there are two main stakeholders in any business. The first one is an executive group. These are the CEOs, the directors who want to deploy AI tools and technology in the business to leverage and really make a difference in the services they are offering. The second group is the IT and infrastructure teams. They are responsible to deploy technology like artificial intelligence in any organization. And there appears to be a lot of push and pull between the executives and the IT teams, where executive groups wants to deploy AI ASAP. They want to use this technology to their advantage. However, IT teams are struggling to understand where to start. And it is not an easy problem to solve either. While there are ton of tools, ton of technologies, and they are all evolving quickly, where to start, where to invest. And IT teams appears to be stuck in the dependencies. They are stuck in either writing a big strategy documents that hopefully will give guidance on AI, or they are investing time and effort in data cleansing, cybersecurity before they deploy AI tools. However, in my opinion, these dependencies are arbitrary. They may not be the real dependencies. And as an example, we can quite possibly use AI tools in a controlled way for data cleansing and data management. We can use AI tools for cybersecurity. And coming back to the strategy, something which is moving very quickly, evolving very quickly, we cannot rely on a static document to give us direction. So we can do better. And I feel there is a three-step process that can help us to move forward in a positive direction. The and this three-step process, I'm going to share it with you. If you have any questions, please reach out. It is very simple and logical three steps. So hear me out. The first one is capacity. So we build capacity within our executive group by giving them the tools they need. Now, these tools could be any AI tools that help them to create capacity. They could be some sort of chat GPT, they could be Copilot, they may be specialist AI tools that help them to move forward quickly. They create capacity. The second is we write very simple guiding principles. We say it is not a strategy, it is the guiding principles that will help us to navigate through AI implementation in our organization. As an example, one of the guiding principles could be that we are not going to invest on shiny products. We will be guided by our business strategy. Now, that could be one guiding principle, but it will help us when someone comes up with some shiny product. This guiding principle will help us. Okay, look, we're not after shiny products. We look at about our business and we strategically think what actually will help. Okay, coming back to step two, it is guiding principles. So write a set of guiding principles that will help us navigate this AI in implementation in our business. And third one is infrastructure. And by infrastructure, I mean we have a set of executives who form, say, a steering group who will guide these initiatives, and they could be some other IT initiatives as well. The thought process is this: we have a business strategy, we have some sort of artifact that tells us where we are heading. That is our business focused documentation. And then we have got the initiatives we can run in AI space. So we have a decision body who is looking at the business artifacts, our business strategy, and looking at what set of tools will help us to go and serve that main business purpose effectively. And that infrastructure could be a steering group, or could be an executive group, or some sort of committee that make decisions on all things AI. And IT team and business teams, they are working towards, okay, this is what we should be doing. They take a proposals or set of proposals to a steering group, and the decisions are being made in within the steering group. And that steering group utilizes the guiding principles as a source of truth. And I feel these three things can make a real difference, where it is really hard to understand where to start. And again, I'll just reiterate so it starts to make sense. So the first thing is creating capacity using simple tools. So we leverage those tools to create capacity within the business. The second is guiding principles, a simple set of principles that will guide our decisions. And the third one is infrastructure. That means we form a steering group, we form IT and business teams as to write these proposals, to write a project on a paper, and give these proposals for consideration to the steering group. And we start to make decisions on all things AI through this process, which is nothing new. But these things, if this infrastructure, if it doesn't exist, then IT is being left alone to make all these decisions as well. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I know it's all new and we all are figuring this out. My name is SP Singh. I'm from Bhani Consulting. We partner with medium-sized businesses, understand where you are from business aspect and where you want to be from a future vision perspective, and we work at a technology layer to help you achieve business goals. Until next time, have a great rest of the day, and have a good one. Bye for now.